Hello, and welcome back to the Good Bowls program. I'm Dr. Bashira Anahora, back with another quick video tip in the Good Bowls mobile app to help you eat and live well. Last week was all about cooking more at home, and this week we're going to talk about knife skills. Why? Because knife skills are an important part of being able to cook and eat well and nourish ourselves. Firstly, knife skills are important because they help us to prepare our food safely. We don't want to lose a limb as we're trying to cook. So it gives you that confidence to really be able to cut and chop things safely. Second, knife skills increase our efficiency and they save us time. Because when we are skilled, we can do things very quickly, very efficiently, and get things out of the way, get things done as we're prepping our food very quickly. Thirdly, knife skills are important because when we use proper technique and cut our food evenly and uniformly, we can then cook our food much better. And the food ultimately, when we're preparing it uniformly, it's ultimately going to taste better because the ingredients that we've prepped, they are able to soak up all the spices and the seasoning that we're using. They're browning evenly. We just get better tasting food. That's why restaurant food looks so appealing. So, number of reasons why we need to learn knife skills, why they're important. But again, I think the most important thing is they're just gonna give us that safety and confidence and speed up our time in the kitchen. And that's what we want, to get things on the table fast, right? So if we had to have, if we got limited budget, what do we need? What knives do we need to keep on hand? What are the most important knives? The first is a chef's knife. And this is generally our biggest knife if we're looking at knives. And it's gonna help, it's the most versatile. So it's gonna really help us with chopping, with dicing, with mincing, to be able to do it really fast. And stay tuned because we've got some videos to show you how to use knives properly. The second is a paring knife, and this one is smaller, but it's gonna allow us to do more fine technique type skills like peeling or grating something that might be a little bit smaller in nature. And then our last essential tool to keep on hand is a cutting board. And a cutting board can be made of wood. It can also be made of plastic or a composite material. This one's made of wood. You just want to get a solid surface that sits flat, that's not going to rock around or slip on you while you're cutting. That's really important for safety as well. So enjoy this week's video. Our friends at NC State are going to provide us with a number of tips to help us learn knife skills, to be able to prepare our food quickly and get dinner and lunch and all of our meals on the table as efficiently as possible. So enjoy this week and eat some good bowls.